How to use a respawn anchor in Minecraft. Ready, set, go. A respawn anchor allows you to respawn in the Nether in case you die. This includes if you die in the overworld as well. To make a respawn anchor, you need 6 crying obsidian, which can be obtained by a ruined portal, a bastion, or trading with piglins. You also need 3 glowstone, which can be obtained by the roof of the Nether in any of the biomes. Once you obtain your crying obsidian and glowstone, you can craft a respawn anchor. Once you have your respawn anchor, place it down where you want to respawn, then use glowstone to charge it. Once you have 4 glowstone in it, the respawn anchor is fully charged. Right click it to set your spawn. Now the next time you die, you'll respawn where the anchor is. Once you respawn after death, the anchor loses some of its power. In order to refill the power, you need to use more glowstone. Once the power runs out, you will respawn in the overworld at world spawn instead of in the Nether. Also be warned, do not use this in the overworld, as if you use it, it's much like the effect of using a bed in the Nether, it will blow up and kill you. And that's how you use the respawn anchor in Minecraft. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, and if it really helped you out, please subscribe.